Something came in the mail today. By this, you guys should know what route I'm taking with the CRV. I'm hype, y'all. I'm hype. Today's the day. We're gonna install a light bar. This is my first time doing anything really electrical other than like a radio and stuff like that. So let's see how it goes, y'all. Let's see how it goes. We're doing it on this baby. So we're gonna mount it underneath the basket. As I'm wiring this right now, we're waiting on Amazon to bring the bracket. So let's get to it, y'all. So right now I'm running into the problem of getting this trim off. This trim off, I'm super scared to crack it. So I just unloosened, is that a word, unloosened? Whatever, I took off that screw up top so I could run the wiring up there, but I'm worried about this. I'm really scared to crack it, y'all. So that's what I'm dealing with right now. That's what I'm dealing with right now. And then the button I chose for the light bar fits pretty well. Fits pretty well, so we shall see, y'all. We shall see. After about an hour of me fighting with it, you see the wiring, right? We finally got it through. So now we just gotta connect everything. Sheesh. Alright, y'all. So we got it all wired up. Gotta try to make it a little prettier. Have to. We have to. Ran into a problem. I gotta wait till my boy comes back because I gotta get this on a lift to run it through the Firewall. Because for the wiring harness on this, the Firewall entrance is over here. And there's a ton of stuff. And they say that the rubber garment on there is like impossible to get through. So the person before I had it installed a rubber garment and a hole on this side to run all the speaker wire and the power cord and all that stuff. So we got to figure it out. We got to figure it out when my boy comes up. So look at the temporary situation we're running. Hold on, y'all. Let's jump to that. We're going to run it through here somehow. Thanks a lot. Garbage truck driving by right now. We're going to run it through here. They really just drove by like right behind us. We're going to run it through here somehow. Try to finagle it. But the button's nice and clean in there, so we'll see. We will see what we do now. So I went with a 32-inch light bar, LED light bar. Clearly what it says on the box. This is the company we went with. It was on Amazon on sale for about 50 bucks. So let's get to it. We just have to wire this up. The bracket's on the way right now with Amazon. And we should be good to go. Hopefully I don't run into no more problems because just running the wire was a headache. All right, moment of truth. Let's go. Let's go. Y'all see it? Let's go. All right, y'all, windscreen is on. Still waiting on Amazon. Hurry up, Amazon. Hurry up. He's here. And this is what happens when you're waiting on Amazon and you live in Florida. Sheesh, man. I just wanted to see it. That's crazy.
So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the first mod on the 2002 Honda CRV. As you guys can tell, we are going the off-road / overland look on this Honda CRV. I was gonna go the stance / slammed look, but with us living in Florida, we don't have to deal with too many potholes, but we have to deal with flooding. And with this being a daily, it's just a lot easier to go the overland / off-road look. So that's the route we are taking with this CRV. I know a lot of you guys are gonna be mad that we're not going stance and all this stuff, but trust the process, y'all. Trust the process. Let me know in the comments section down below, because this is a debate me and my wife keep having. I like the placement of the LED bar on the top. My wife keeps telling me we should mount it on the front bumper. Let me know in the comment section below. Y'all might convince me to do it on the bumper, or I could just prove her wrong and show her that everyone likes it on the basket. So make sure to comment it down below. And if you like today's video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not part of the family here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the family. And if you want to hang out with us every day, with us, when I say with us, I'm talking the Unique Gaming family. I'm on live every day on Facebook Gaming. The link is down below, 9:30 EST. Come hang out with us. Before I close out today's video, I have a car show I will be at this weekend. May 7th, the flyer is right here. Right here, y'all see it. May 7th, I will be doing a ton of cinematics there, meeting everybody, doing videos, and I would love to meet whoever wants to come out and hang out. So this is the flyer, check it out. If y'all in the area, stop by. And with that being said, I appreciate every single one of you guys. Stay safe. Catch you on the next one. Peace out.